It's here. Hello, hello, my friends. Citrus Twist. This is the new kits, I guess, Life Crafted, I believe it is, by Citrus Twist. And this is the stamp set. Oh, look, a little stem. I'm so sorry. Can you hear my fan? Hold up. Sorry. Anywho. Fresh start. Oh, that makes sense because they're Life Crafted. This is Life New Beginnings. Alright. Let's break out the kit here. Glare. Fresh start kits. It's time to try something new and trust the magic of new beginnings. You get your little baggie as usual. I was worried, oh, not worried, I was wondering if they were going to keep that in there. So, get your little card. You still get your ephemera pack, which is still just as awesome as ever. Fresh start. That's cool. Oh my goodness, sorry, my kids are nuts. Alright, oh, 2019. These are the journaling cards. Go forth and be fierce. Lock it. Let's eat. I love that blue. Open up, love, make mistakes, learn, be strong, start all over again. Ooh, it's all about balance. New intentions. That's good. There's much more ahead. I like that. New intentions. Be ordinary things. Oh yes, I love that one. Currently. Great time for new beginnings. Today. Oh, I love that one. Alright. We'll just pop that one on top. Okay. Oh. Let's go ahead and grab this paper. I think I'm going to start with this kit with my Traveler's album that I got from Colorcast. I think it is. You've got a new story to write. Ooh, I love those. Got your cut aparts. Awesome. Labels. Oh, this is where it all begins. Oh, that's pretty cool. Be fiercely you. I like that. I wonder what that measures. 8 by 3. 8 by 3. That's nice. Holy, these are all one-sided. Get you a good solid there. Oh, I like them. I like that the colors are not as bright, but still colorful, if that makes sense. Circles. Yes. Ooh, I like that one. I like them all, in all honesty. Good old black. Is that the one? Yes, the one we started with. Get your alphas. They are black this time. Love the alphas. Ooh, you do get a lot more, it seems like. Some chipboard stickers. Blame it on my wild heart. Okay to not do it all. Yes. Gotta nourish the flourish. That's cute. Okay. Get some. Oh, these are cute. They're on like notebook paper. She's adorable. As if. I don't know if my kids will ever get that reference. I'll have to have them watch that movie. Oh, give yourself time. I love that one. Okay. And this is new. Vellum tape strip. Sorry. Wonder if these. Looks like there's 2. Wonder if they're the same. Oh. Yeah, I like that. Because, you know, a lot of times there'll be, you know, one specific one that I think to myself, man, I sure could use that twice. Those are nice, though. Real see-through. vellum, duh. And then of course you get your stamp set, which definitely is bigger. Yeah, that's cool. Yes to this. Oh, I like that one. You've got to be a beginner before you can be anything else. Oh, I love that, New Beginning, because that's the name of my church. Anywho, all right, I hope you guys have yours. Miss Jen, I know you don't have yours yet, but it's on its way, I'm sure, positive. And then you can make some beautiful, beautiful crafts. Anywho, I hope you guys have a great day and are having an okay week. Me, you know, Monday's done, and I'm glad to have that behind me. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!